I'm going to show you how to install your Zebra Shade in an outside mount installation. Here are a couple things to be aware of before we really get started. First, if the shade came with a band around it, holding it together, don't remove it until your installation is complete. This will keep the shade from getting damaged during installation. And second, don't attempt to operate the shade until it's fully installed. That could damage it as well. Check to make sure you have all the necessary hardware listed in your instructions. If something's missing, contact Made for Shade and we'll quickly send you a replacement part. Depending on the shade you ordered, your parts may be a little different. To install the shade, you'll need the following tools: a steel measuring tape, pencil, a drill with 5/64 size bit, and a flathead screwdriver. With these tools, it's easy to screw in the brackets and hang these shades. All right, we're ready to get started. I'll show you two outside mounting options. One if your window has trim, and one if it doesn't. Here's if your windows don't have trim. Let's mark where our brackets are going to be. Start with the top left side of the window. Measure inward 2 to 4 inches and make a mark with the pencil. Now do the same thing on the right side. From each of your first marks, measure straight up 3 inches and make another mark. Now you're ready to attach the brackets. As you can see, the front of the brackets will face out of the window and the back will hang down. Place the brackets on the area you marked and use your pencil to mark where the screw holes will go. Here's an optional step that might make installation easier. With your drill fitted with the 5/64 size drill bit, pre-drill the holes for all the screws. Now line the brackets up with the markings or screw holes on the window frame and start screwing them on. Screw them on loosely at first. That will give you room to adjust if you need to make sure the brackets are straight and properly aligned. Once you've lined up the brackets, screw the screws in the rest of the way. As you can see here on the cassette track, the bracket snaps right into it. Just grasp the cassette so the front of the shade faces you and the cassette is on the top lip of the brackets. Then push the bottom of the handrail firmly towards the window. When you hear a loud click, you'll know it's firmly attached. When you have trim on your window, do your measurements on the trim, since that's where it will be installed. Make sure your brackets are flush with the top of the trim. Before using the shade for the first time, carefully remove the paper band. And for safety, especially for any children in the house, make sure to screw in the chain holder. Make sure to leave space for the chain to move so it doesn't interfere with the operation of the shade. If you ever want to remove the shade, simply roll up the shade, then take your screwdriver and twist on the back of the mounting bracket, like this, until the shade pops out. And that's it! Enjoy your new Zebra Shade. If you have any questions or need support, contact us using the information below.